Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making chili. Chili is a fantastic dish that goes well on those cold winter or fall days, or even when you're having get-togethers for football season. This is really simple to make, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 1 pound of ground beef. We're also going to need a few tablespoons of olive oil, 1 large onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic that has been minced. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of chipotle chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you like heat. We're also going to need some salt and pepper, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. We're also going to need 3 to 4 cups of chicken stock, 1 can of diced tomatoes. We're also going to need 2 14-ounce cans of beans of your choice. I'm using dark red kidney beans. And that's it until we're ready to garnish it. In a large pot over medium heat, we're going to heat up a few tablespoons of olive oil. Then goes in our onions, and we're going to saute these up till they start to become translucent. Next goes in our ground beef. We're going to break this up just a little bit, and we're going to cook this till it's brown. Next, we're going to go in with our fresh garlic and all of our spices, and we're going to let this cook for about a minute. Next, we're going to go in with our tomato paste. We're going to cook this for about another 2 minutes. Next goes in our chicken stock. We're going to add in 3 cups out of the 4. We're going to save one of the cups just to determine how thick we actually like it at the end. If it's too thick, we're going to add in the other cup. So we're going to go in with our 3 cups for now. Then in with our tomatoes and our beans. We're going to put a lid on this, put it on about a medium-low heat, and we're going to let it simmer for about an hour. And our chili is done. If this is too thick for you, by all means, add in another cup of chicken stock. But this is exactly where I like it. Let's give it a tiny little taste to adjust the seasoning. Just about perfect. A little bit of salt. Let's head over to the cutting board and plate this. Now when it comes to garnishing your chili, you can do it whatever way that you want. With crackers, I like to go with a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese on top, a dollop of sour cream right in the middle, and some green onions. That looks fantastic. Let's get a taste. All right, let's dig in. We want to be very careful because this is hot. That's so good. You get a lot of the spice. It's not really spicy per se. You get a little bit of a heat on your tongue, but it's not overpowering. If you want to kick it up, add some more chili powder or some cayenne pepper. This is just a well-rounded, balanced chili. There's a nice little smokiness almost from the chipotle powder. The cheese and the sour cream is a nice touch. This will go great with some nice crusty bread. Hope you enjoyed this video. So please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget, I also have an outdoor channel. If you're interested in that, I'll have a link for that down in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.